How do sensory differences in autism shape perception? Imagine experiencing the world through a different lens, where sounds can be painfully loud or sights might seem overwhelming. That's often what life is like for someone with autism. Sensory differences are a key part of autism spectrum disorder, affecting how people see, hear, touch, taste, and smell. These differences start early in life and shape how they understand their surroundings. Sensory processing is how the brain organizes and makes sense of sensory input from the environment. In autism, this process is not typical. Some children may be hypersensitive, meaning they react strongly to stimuli others might ignore. For example, a child might find a normal conversation painfully loud or bright lights blinding. Others may be hyposensitive, meaning they need more intense sensory input to notice it. They might seek out strong sensations like deep pressure or loud noises to feel more grounded. These sensory differences change perception by affecting how the brain combines sensory information. Normally, the brain filters and integrates inputs from different senses to create a clear picture of the world. In autism, this process can be less efficient or happen at different speeds. This can make sensory information feel fragmented or overwhelming, which impacts how individuals interpret what's happening around them. From a brain development point of view, these sensory differences appear early. Neural pathways may develop differently, and the brain may have trouble filtering out irrelevant stimuli. This is called sensory gating dysfunction. Because of this, children with autism might struggle to focus, learn language, or interact socially. Their brains are working hard to process too much or too little sensory information, which can affect many areas of growth. In daily life, sensory differences can cause real challenges. For some, crowded places or loud environments might cause distress or lead to withdrawal. Others might seek out intense sensory experiences to feel more comfortable. Recognizing these differences is important for providing support. Sensory-based therapies can help children learn to manage their responses better. Creating environments that reduce sensory overload, like quiet spaces or soft lighting, can make a big difference. In summary, sensory differences in autism shape perception by changing how sensory information is received and processed in the brain. These differences influence not just how someone experiences the world but also how they develop skills and interact with others. Understanding these sensory aspects is essential for supporting children with autism and helping them navigate their environment more comfortably.